Your shop is busy, and you're drowning in a sea of folders and sticky notes, playing phone tag, wasting time and missing inspection items. Are your manual processes holding you back from maximizing each bay, technician, and repair order? Sure, you need a point of sale or shop management software, but to serve more customers and drive profitable growth, you need more. You need a complete shop success solution designed for growth. Increase your average repair order by 25 to 50%. Improve shop efficiency so you can handle more jobs without increasing your number of bays or employees. And a website that actually attracts new and repeat customers. The AutoVitals Complete Shop Success Solution includes multiple products that will turn you into the digital shop. They can be used individually or all together, and paired with your current point of sale system. Build trust and credibility with your customers using digital vehicle inspections, actually showing them the repairs you're suggesting. Utilize our customizable workflow management software to maximize your car count and shop operations. Attract more customers with our website and marketing solutions, and keep them coming back regularly with retention tools like CRM, texting, and loyalty management. Tap into the power of a complete shop success solution where all your data, your inspections, repair orders, productivity insights, website, and digital marketing performance is accessible in a single business control panel. No more transferring data from multiple software programs. No more paper folders, no more wasted time. And if you need help, one technology partner to contact for assistance. AutoVitals, driving the success you deserve.